All right, finally. So today we're gonna be installing a head unit as well as my reverse camera. Now the reverse camera I found it on the Facebook Marketplace. I'll be able to integrate it into the license plate light. Head unit, it's gonna be this. I bought this on Facebook Marketplace as well. It's used, but I also have a few other items. So we have a Lexus IS200 fascia kit from AeroPro. Step 1 and the step 2 from AeroPro. This is the amp bypass. They both connect together. This is the wires that go to the rear deck speakers that will come out of this. I will lose the ability to have the rear decks on if I don't wire them up, but I'll see how it goes. I do have the speakers, but probably might make that another video. Here I'm trying to make space to wire through the reverse camera, removing the seats and rubber seals. I already put it on. It's ready to go, coming out of the license plate like that. I found 2 wires that I assume are power and ground from the reverse light because I've already fed it through. Bottom seats out. I've just pulled this up. I've managed to fish it from a hole in there. And pretty much the wires here now. I am able to just fish it through the roof line now, all the way back there, and I'm ready to install the head unit now, which I'll be doing. Here I'm installing the amplifier bypass using the AeroPro bypass kit, tapping into the OEM harness and bringing it out to the head unit. Now after this video I actually did have to wire in those 2 subwoofer cables to the actual head unit, but you would figure that out along the way. But yeah, so I just got the fucking amp out. Once you get 2 screws done, about getting this fucking back, I just cut it off. You can try to take it off from here, but that's a bit much, so I just fucking cut it. Pretty much take the trims out. So this is where I've gone. Yeah, that's the amp. Now I can use this, the amp bypass. So there is only 2 connections. So once it's plugged into the amp, these 2 that'll go down to the left woofer and the right woofer. So pretty much the rear decks. Let's go to step 2. So this is step 2. So I'm just gonna test fit everything, just so I can see if the head unit works before I clean everything up. This color to this color, it's not really red, and the black to the black. And then this plug to the head unit. So I'll do that now. Power's on now. Wow, and we got power. iPhone. Ooh, because things kind of took a while. I just want to put everything back. My license plate bulbs just fucking died today. I decided to just die. Get the old one out. Here I'm putting everything back in. The reason it's nighttime is because I spent so long figuring out how the head unit would go back in and what to do about the license plate bulbs. I've finally completed it. You'll be able to see the reverse camera here. Onto the license plate light there. I also found some duck tail lights, so I bought that. Here's the head unit. Head unit works pretty cool. If I want, I could just hold that. It opens it up so I can insert a CD and watch some movies if I wanted to. That's the head unit install. Thank you guys for watching this long ass video of me trying to fucking install this bitch.